Hello friends, today we are going to see what is non-functional testing. In this testing, we check external functionality of the application. Non-functional testing is divided into some types. First is a recovery, second is a configuration, third is a compatibility, fourth is a installation, fifth is a parallel, sixth is a sanitation, seventh is a usability, eighth is a performance, ninth is a security, and tenth is a globalization. Let's see the first type of non-functional testing. Recovery testing. In this testing, we validate our application is able to recover from abnormal condition to normal condition or not, like a system shutdown or a network failure or unnecessary load. Second type is a configuration testing. In this testing, we validate our application is working on different hardware or not. Hardwares like RAM, motherboard, graphics card, printer. Third type is a compatibility testing. In this testing, we validate our application running on different OS or browser or not. Compatibility testing is divided into two types. First is a cross browser compatibility testing, and second is a version comparison. In a cross browser testing, we validate our build is working properly on different type of browser or not, like Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari. And in a version comparison, we validate our build is working on the different version of same browser or not. Next is the installation. In this testing, we validate our application is properly installed on customer expected platform or not. After the installation, he asks for the shortcut or not. Next is a parallel testing. In this testing, we validate our application with another similar application. Is known as a parallel testing. Next is a sanitation. In this testing, we validate the extra feature of the application. If that extra feature is not mentioned in the requirement, that time we log as a defect. Next is a usability testing. In this testing, we validate our user friendliness of the application. In this testing, we also check look and feel application is easy to understand or not. Next is a performance testing. In this testing, we check speed of processing of our application. In this testing, we also check page load time, transmission time, and page response time. Performance testing is divided into some types: load testing, stress testing, volume testing, soak testing, and scalability testing. Next is a security testing, in which used to discover the weakness, risk, and or threats in software application. Security testing is divided into two types: authentication and authorization. That's it. Thank you. Keep learning.